everybody, it's BT here with fxlivedaytrading.com, aka Gerard. Okay, so this here is the Australian US dollar. I want to go over this because we do have FOMC, and that's what I'm covering right now. FOMC. Now, the question is, how hawkish is the Fed? My personal opinion, I think you already know if you're in my trading room and my service, is I believe that the Aussie dollar is going to move higher. The Australian dollar, just in general, the US dollar moving lower. Now, I have chose to go long in the Australian dollar because it's a nice trade setup. And I gotta tell you, you know, when you see a trade setup, I'm not saying don't pay attention to news, but I'm going to go with the technical trade setup, okay? Have news as, you know, as one of your tools. You know, you want to listen, you want to be aware, because there can be very aggressive, strong market moves on FOMC. And also especially non-farm payroll, that's NFP, which is the first Friday of each month. Now you can just see that we are moving higher, and note we are long, and how do I show the buy levels here? 1 second here. How do I show that? Because apparently the long position, I guess I could change the color, right? I use a FX trade, Rwanda. This is MT4. I mean, I'll use this too, but I can't say I'm an expert at it. Excuse me, I'm just going to go. The vote was unanimous. Core inflation has moved close to 2%. Beforehand, it was run below 2%. Okay, US dollar is falling a bit here, and like I said, we're long the Australian dollar. You know, I'm just going to pay attention to my trade right now. How do we, one second, let me just, sorry to sidetrack you here. I mean, I'm staying in right now, so it's not like, ooh, I'm getting out for 20 pips. I'm looking for a sizable move here. I mean, I'm as I mentioned to everybody yesterday, I'm looking for a 100 pip move at least. And if it takes a few days, if it takes a week, that's fine. If it takes 1 day, that's fine too. Let's see here, the grid, to make the grid. Excuse me, wasn't expecting that coming. A little bit of allergies going on here. Let me keep the grid black, foreground yellow. Volumes is black. I wonder if I change that, if things change. Oh yeah. Things change when I do that. Look at these buys. Boom, 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 boom. You can see I bought up here. I mean, my buy levels weren't all that great, and I even said I'm going to start, you know, positioning in around 75, 70, and I just kept buying as we dropped yesterday, because I was, you know, the technical setup was there. You can see all these buys up here. So I'm not going to sit and say, hey, my buy level was the exact bottom here. It wasn't. Did I buy some at the bottom? Yeah. But my buy level is probably, right now, I'm showing about 75.30, 75.28, and this is a swing trade. So yeah, we're seeing a nice turnaround right now. You know, we need that catalyst, so to speak, you know, to really get this US dollar moving, and you know, start to see some correction. All right, U.S. dollar has made a significant run in the last few months, and I'm looking for a pullback overall in the U.S. dollar. It doesn't mean that we can't get a pullback here and chop around, and oh yes, today we're definitely going to close higher. I'm not saying that. Fundamentally, what I've seen here, as far as news come out, and I'm not going to start playing you know, video and news and confuse everybody here. I'm just going to verbally talk about the commentary. No hints on June hike. The dollar is easing modestly across the board. Inflation on a 12-month basis is expected to run near the committee's symmetric 2% objective over the medium term. Risks to the economic outlook appear roughly balanced. The symmetrical talk seems to weigh on the US dollar. So What am I looking for? I'll go over that right now because I've already, the first step here is seeing this level hit. We did see that. We did see the stop runs. Beautiful. My first level that I, let's say I'm a short-term trader, I'm going to go for right here. I'm going to go for about 76.22 area. And that may very well be my exit. Okay, that's also a weekly level. And so right now I'm just, keep in mind the euro dollar is at a nice level too for a buy, 119.93. I mean, it hit that 120, ran some stops, and we may just get a reversal off of this 120 level. So overall, I am not going to start answering questions right now. I'm still, focused on this trade in the trading room. So after this, because I am recording this, I should be done in a little bit, and then Steve, I'll go ahead and kind of let you elaborate a little bit on your thoughts on the euro dollar. I won't upload that. So, I think I may do one lot right here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video. But as far as this is just a very nice level, I feel, to go long. Aussie dollar, write it down. It's May 2nd, 2018. Write this down. Track it. This is a recommendation that I am making. Of course, you can never guarantee anything, and if you don't have funds that you could afford to lose everything, then you have no business trading real money in Forex. So let me go tend to this. I love it. Do it day in, day out. I mean, if I didn't need to sleep, I'd do 24 hours a day. Please watch my videos. Go to my website if you're looking for a mentor that can really bring you to the next level. I'm your guy. Take care, everybody. Have a good one.